Approved coconuts move on to automated conveyors, where the first essential cleaning stage prepares them for safe processing.
Specialized machines trim the tough outer husk, exposing the upper shell area where the pure coconut water is safely extracted.
After washing, another inspection checks every coconut again, removing any fruit that does not meet strict premium quality standards.
Each trimmed coconut is held securely in place, allowing the next extraction step to happen with accuracy, speed, and cleanliness. Approved bottles are grouped into neat packs, ready to be protected for storage, transport, and retail display. Clear, crisp, and naturally refreshing, this coconut water is carefully processed to preserve its simple, from a fresh coconut on the palm tree to a premium bottle in your hand. Every bottle of premium coconut water begins here, in tropical plantations where mature coconuts grow.
Experienced harvesters collect the coconuts at the perfect stage, protecting both fruit quality and the health of every palm tree.
After harvesting, each coconut is gathered carefully to prevent damage before beginning its journey to the processing factory. Only carefully selected young green coconuts are chosen, because their clear water has the freshest taste and natural sweetness. At the factory, the coconuts arrive at a modern facility designed for safe, efficient, and hygienic beverage production. Powerful water jets remove soil, dust, and surface impurities, leaving each coconut clean before it enters the approved coconuts move on to automated conveyors, where the first essential cleaning stage prepares them for safe processing.
Before processing begins, trained quality control workers inspect every delivery for freshness, size, shell condition.
Rotating brushes thoroughly scrub the rough outer shells, ensuring no unwanted material remains on the coconuts before opening.
After washing, another inspection checks every coconut again, removing any fruit that does not meet strict premium quality standards. Advanced sorting machines organize the coconuts by size and weight, creating a smooth and consistent production flow.
Now the coconuts enter the sterile processing hall, where technology and hygiene work together to protect the natural coconut water.
Specialized machines trim the tough outer husk, exposing the upper shell area where the pure coconut water is safely extracted.
Each trimmed coconut is held securely in place, allowing the next extraction step to happen with accuracy, speed, and cleanliness.
A precise, sterile drilling system opens each coconut, allowing its naturally clear water to flow directly into protected pipelines. The fresh water travels through sealed food-grade pipes, preventing outside contamination and preserving its clean.
Inside sealed collection tanks, the coconut water is monitored continuously for temperature, flow, and consistent product quality.
Laboratory technicians test samples for sweetness, acidity, color, and microbiological safety before the water moves to the only crystal clear coconut water that passes every quality test is approved for filtration, preservation, and premium packaging.
Approved coconut water enters a gentle filtration system that removes tiny natural particles while preserving its light, refreshing. Fine membrane filters clarify the water, creating the bright, crystal-clear appearance customers expect from a premium coconut water. Digital controls constantly track temperature, pressure, and flow, ensuring every batch follows the exact recipe for consistent quality. The filtered coconut water is gently mixed inside sealed tanks, maintaining a uniform natural flavor throughout the entire.
Before preservation, technicians collect another sterile sample to confirm that every batch remains pure, balanced, and safe.
To ensure safety, the coconut water passes through a carefully controlled pasteurization process, using precise heat for. This brief heat treatment helps eliminate harmful microorganisms while protecting the clean taste and natural character of the coconut water.
Immediately after pasteurization, the water is cooled rapidly, helping lock in freshness before it is sent to the filling line. Chilled coconut water waits inside sealed tanks, protected from air and contamination as the packaging system prepares.
Meanwhile, clean, recyclable bottles are prepared on a separate automated line, ready to hold the finished premium coconut water.
Each bottle is sterilized with filtered air before filling, ensuring its interior is completely clean and ready for the drink.
Sterilized bottles move smoothly toward the filling station. where speed and precision keep the entire production line efficient.
Precision nozzles fill with the exact measured amount of coconut water, minimizing waste and ensuring
Inspection cameras check every cap for correct placement, ensuring no bottle leaves the line without a secure, reliable seal.
branded labels are applied with perfect alignment, giving each bottle its final identity. Ingredients, nutrition detail.
The finished bottle now displays a premium look, reflecting the freshness, purity, and tropical origin of the coconut water inside.
Each bottle receives a batch code and date mark, allowing complete traceability from the factory back to the original harvest. Quality control staff perform final manual checks, confirming that every bottle looks perfect before it moves into packaging.
Approved bottles are grouped into neat packs, ready to be protected for storage, transport, and retail display. Automated case packers place the bottles into strong cartons, protecting them during their journey through the supply chain.
Every carton is labeled with a barcode and batch information, making inventory tracking fast, accurate, and full.
Robotic palletizers stack the cartons in stable layers, preparing large shipments safely and efficiently for distribution. A strong protective wrap holds each pallet together, keeping the cartons secure during handling and transportation. Inside the finished goods warehouse, palletized coconut water is stored in organized rows until orders are ready to ship. From the factory gate, premium coconut water begins its final journey, carrying a taste of the tropics across the region. Barcode scanning updates the inventory system instantly, allowing the factory to track every shipment with complete accuracy. When an order is received, forklifts move the selected pallets from storage toward the loading area. The finished products are loaded onto delivery trucks, ready to travel from the factory to markets, stores, and customers.
At distribution centers, cartons are sorted and sent onward to supermarkets, restaurants, cafes, and other retail destinations.
Each bottle represents a carefully managed process, from hand-picked coconuts to a safe, high-quality finished beverage.
Whether shared with family or enjoyed alone, every sip delivers the clean tropical refreshment captured at the factory.
Clear, crisp, and naturally refreshing, this coconut water is carefully processed to preserve its simple, from a fresh coconut on the palm tree to a premium bottle in your hand, every step. The finished products are loaded onto delivery trucks, ready to travel from the factory to markets, stores, and customers. From the factory gate, premium coconut water begins its final journey, carrying a taste of the tropics across the region.
Whether shared with family or enjoyed alone, every sip delivers the clean tropical refreshment captured at the factory.